जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 8th chapter अक्षर परब्रह्म योगमु 21st श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, those who approaches me and seeks the fruit of Atma Sakshatkaram, self-realization. Now I am going to tell you the greatness of that fruit. That means Atma Sakshatkara greatness. Atma is the one which cannot be perceived by any sensory organs beyond the perception. Atma is such a great one. Atma is beyond this Prakriti, and Atma is pure. Atma is never destroyed. Akshara. Arjuna, all the great learned people call it as Paramagati, the supreme state, because Atma is most superior one which is under my governance. I govern so many things, but this is the most superior one. That is why this is known as Paramagati, this is known as Parandhama. And whoever attains Atma Swarupam, they do never have to go back to the cycle of birth and death. That is the greatness of glory of the fruit of Atma Sakshatkaram. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma emphasizing upon the greatness of self-realization, Atma Sakshatkaram. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Avyaktokshara ityuktaha tamahuhu paramam gatim yam prapya na nivartante taddhama paramam mama. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always meditate upon me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone, unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Tritiya Skandham, third Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma prayed Srimannarayana. With that, Srimannarayana felt very happy, and now Srimannarayana showering his anugraham on Chaturmukha Brahma, saying that, O Vedagarbha Chaturmukha Brahma, you were trying to find the root of the lotus in which you have born. In that process, I myself gave you my darshanam. Everything is happening with my blessing, with my anugraham. O Vedagarbha, I am the personification of all Kalyana Gunas. You asked me to give you the Shakti to do this Srushti Karyam. Pritoham astu bhadrante. With your prarthana, I felt very happy. I am very much pleased. And may there be all success to you. And also, O Brahma, whatever the prayer that you have done, ya etena puman nityam stutva stotrena Mam bhajet. If anyone on this earth does the same prayer that you have done, tasyasu samprasideyam sarvakamavareshvaraha. If anyone does the same prayer, or if anyone listens to the same prayer, definitely I will grant all the boons that they ask. I will fulfill all their wishes. O Chaturmukha Brahma, now onwards, keep on performing your duty, and the ultimate purpose of every of your activity should be Nishreyasam Matpritihi. Pleasing me should be the goal for all your activities. Tapasa yajnaihi danaihi yoga samadhina. O Vedagarbha, you and everyone, whoever, whatever they do, may it be yajnas, may it be yagas, may it be tapasyas, may it be yogas, may it be samadhi. For every activity, the ultimate purpose, ultimate goal is to please me. That is how everyone should be performing, carrying out their activities. O Vedagarbha, I am Paramatma to everyone. Aham Atma Atmanam. I am the one, Antaryami of each and every entity. O Vedagarbha, people are liking few things because of my presence in those things, and my presence in every object making people to like those objects. Like this, Sriman Narayana showering his anugraham upon Chaturmukha Brahma and giving his teachings to Chaturmukha Brahma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं। हे कृष्णा संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 8th chapter 21st श्लोका। अव्यक्तोऽक्षर इत्युक्तः तमाहुः परमां गतिं यं प्राप्य न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम। अव्यक्तोऽक्षर इत्युक्तः तमाहुः परमां गतिं यं प्राप्य न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।